So I've got more details about the upcoming Oscal Marine 3. The device seems to be a budget rugged phone and it's most likely going to launch next year. Also, if you look at the design of the Marine 3, you'd realize that it shares the same design structure as the Blackview Fort 2, but of course both devices have different camera modules. As you can see, the Fort 2 has a circular camera module and it's a lot different from that of the Marine 3. Anyway, the Marine 3 and the Fort 2 has a design inspired by that of the Nothing Phone devices. If you check out the Nothing Phone 1 up to 3, you realize that Blackview got inspiration from the Nothing brand. Anyway, as regarding some of the top features of the Marine 3, well, the device, according to the details, would have a 6.56-inch 90Hz HD Plus display. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to be a budget rugged phone. It's going to ship with the Android 16 OS based on the Dock OS 5.0. That is Blackview's latest custom skin. It's going to also feature a night vision camera, which is nice. And unfortunately, these are just a few details of the device that are currently available. Also, according to Oscal, the device would be slimmer, tougher, and smarter. It's also said to integrate Dock AI 2.0. Now, if we take a closer look at the design of the phone, you realize that the phone, especially at the back, you'd see that the phone would have a triple rear camera setup, one of which would be the night vision camera. And the phone also appears to have on the front a notch, so that's where the selfie camera is. The bezel also seems to be very thick, which is expected for a rugged phone. On the right hand side, we can see the power button and volume keys, and kind of like a metallic frame, which is expected for a rugged phone. And yeah, also at the back, it seems the device would have LED stripes, but I don't know if I'm right or not. But these are just a few details of the upcoming Oscal Marine 3. Oscal would also release the Pilot 5 and Pilot 6 maybe next year. I've already talked about these devices in a previous video. I'll most likely link the video to this video. Maybe I'll add the video link to the video description so you can check it out and find out some of the specs of the upcoming devices. Anyway, this is what I have for you guys. I'll share more details once I get more details about the device. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.